Hello, this is Lockdown Drama. I'm Barry, and if you haven't joined me for a session before, please go and watch Lockdown Drama Introduction before you watch this. So, this session is called Counting Contacts. That's Counting Contacts. As usual, you'll need a partner. However, if you've got more than one person in your house who can join in, that would be wonderful. The more people you have, the better. But I've said that all of these involving a partner, so having just one person is absolutely fine. Right, it's really easy. What I'm going to do is say some body parts that have to be connected between you and your partner or your group. Right? If I say, for example, two hands have got to be touching each other. Now I can show you that with one person, which is me. Two hands, there. So actually for two hands, I don't need anybody else. But really, drama's all about other people as well. So use someone else. You can be creative. If I said four fingers, I can touch four fingers together. There we go, a bit like that. Or I could use these two and put those together, or three of mine, and of course I would get someone else involved as well. So have a bit of a think when you do it. Try and be creative, be exciting. You don't have to do the first thing that comes into your head. There will be a time limit though. Aha. Let's do a practice one. So, got your partner. Now, if they're a bit taller than you, this just makes it more interesting. Here we go. First practice one. 3 knees. So 3 knees need to be touching. So one knee needs to be touching 2 other knees. Okay. 3 knees. Got it? Fun one, right? Now, of course, you didn't need to stand up for that. You could have got down on the floor and gone down on your knees. Right, here we go. We're now going to do it with the challenge. There's going to be a count of 5 to try and get these done. When you've got it, hold it. Not that I can see it, but it'll just prove that you can do it to yourself. Here we go. Right, let's do it. 2 noses. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. See, it's cozy, isn't it? Okay, next one. Relax. Here we go. 2 tummies. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. And relax. Okay. If you've got more than one person, you could get another person involved, or you could do this with 2 of you. Ready? 3 elbows. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How's it going? You getting it? Great, because I'm going to mix it up and make it a little bit trickier this time. Now I'm going to say more than one body part that need to be connected. Aha. Here we go. Ready? 3 feet and 2 chins. That's 3 feet, 2 chins. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Good, you did it, you did it. Oh yeah. Okay. Along the same vein, here we go. 2 foreheads and 6 fingers. That's 2 foreheads and 6 fingers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Oh, that was a tough one. Okay, you're doing so well. Okay, be careful with the next one. 4 heels and 2 hands. That's 4 heels on your foot and 2 hands. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Oh, that's quite tough. I'm sure you had to turn around to try and do that one. Maybe not. Maybe you found an easier way to do it. Okay, carrying on. This one is 2 shoulders, 3 elbows. That's 2 shoulders, 3 elbows. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was a bit mean of me, wasn't it? That's quite a difficult one to do. So well done if you managed it. Next, 2 ears and 3 feet. 2 ears, 3 feet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breeze. and relax. Okay. This is the last one. Okay, last one. Ready. 2 cheeks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Freeze. Lovely. That's a nice, gentle, tender one for the end. Actually, I did say that was the last one, but I'm going to do another one. Okay? The last one. Hopefully, it'll become clear what you need to do. Okay. Ready? 1 enormous hug. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Feel the love. And relax. Well done. Thank you for joining in. Now, if you've just tried that and you want to get more people in the house involved, let's do it again. Okay, so repeat me. Or, of course, you don't need me for this at all. You could have somebody shouting out those things to do while you do it. Thank you for joining me. See you again soon. Bye.